In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record with audio on a Windows PC for free. First, let's talk about what we're actually using. Windows has a built-in tool called the Xbox Game Bar. Even though it sounds like it's just for games, it works really well for recording almost anything on your screen, including system audio and your microphone, without installing extra software. To get started, make sure you're on a Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter G at the same time. That opens the Game Bar overlay on top of whatever you're doing. If nothing happens, you may need to turn it on first by going to your Windows settings, searching for Game Bar, and enabling the option to open it with the Windows plus G shortcut. Once the Game Bar is open, look for the capture section. If you don't see it right away, it may be minimized, so click on the capture icon to bring it up. This panel is where you'll control your screen recordings. Here, you'll see a camera icon for screenshots and a circle icon for recording. Below that, there are microphone options. Before hitting record, check your audio settings. If you want to record both system sounds, like YouTube or game audio, and your microphone, make sure the microphone button is turned on. You can also click the little settings icon to choose which input device to use, such as a headset or an external microphone, and which output device the system audio comes from. This helps avoid issues where the recording is silent or too quiet. Now, open the app or window you actually want to record. The Game Bar records the current window, not your entire desktop, so make sure the right one is active. When you're ready, press the record button in the capture panel, or use the shortcut Windows key plus Alt plus R. You'll see a small recording bar appear, usually in a corner, showing that the recording has started, along with a timer. While recording, you can speak normally, click around, and demonstrate whatever you need. Try to avoid rapidly switching between many apps, since the Game Bar is optimized for one main window at a time. When you're done, press the stop button on the small recording bar, or press Windows key plus Alt plus R again. Windows automatically saves the video file. To find it, open File Explorer, go to your Videos folder, and then into the Captures subfolder. Your new screen recording will be there, ready to watch, edit, or share. All recorded with audio and completely free.